Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got this from Sau Tao of Hong Kong. This is their Sau Tao Jiangnan style noodle exo shallot sauce. Yes! Straight noodles. Yeah, let's get it on. So, what's going on? Hopefully, you're all enjoying perfect health. If not, yeah. It's kind of weird. Things just keep getting weirder. But that's okay. As they say, we're all in this together, aren't we? Aren't we? Aren't we all in this together? That's what they keep saying. And if they say it, that must mean it's true. They're the noodles, just like a straight noodle. Kind of a thin gauge. And they are going to ruminate on being boiled alive or, for 4 minutes. And you get 2 servings in a pack, and it looks what you get. You get 2 bundles of noodles and 2 bundles of this exo shallot sauce. So yeah, I know, if you're a hardcore fan, and I know there's a few. Yeah, you've heard this music before. I haven't done it yet. The weekend is nigh, so it'll happen. It'll be different junk to listen to very shortly. I did the first step this morning in the new top 10 list, which is, by the time you're seeing this video, it should be out. That'll be the 2020, the Ramen Raiders Top 10 Instant Noodles of All Time 2020 edition. The list of lists, the crown jewel of the instant noodle world, the thing that makes everybody go, oh wow, hey, or makes you really mad because your favorite noodle isn't on the list and you decide you need to take it out on old Ramen Raider guys. So that's probably what will happen, but that's okay. I understand. Strong opinions. Strong opinions make the world go round, I suppose. Yeah. But yeah, I tried to do a Reader's Choice Top 10, where basically, as soon as the Top 10 list was released, I would take a vote. And people could put whatever in whatever they wanted and vote for their favorite instant noodles. And at the end of the year, I'd tally it all up. Oh my God, what a nightmare that was. Because everybody would say like for example, somebody would just vote for Nongshim. It's like, okay, Nongshim what? You just like Nongshim brand, that's cool, but this isn't a brand awards, this is a variety awards. If I did it that way and just said vote for your favorite brand, that might work. But the problem is what if you like a brand and I've never heard of it? That's always a possibility. I mean, there's a lot. I know, I've done over 3,400 reviews, but yeah, there are brands I've not heard of. And then, so what I was doing, I was having people put in their own thing that they were going to vote on. And yeah, it was just like at one point I had a few hundred votes, and I tabulated them. And then I noticed that what I was using would only let you do up to 500 votes on anything. And if you wanted to do it nicely, you'd have to use something like SurveyMonkey. SurveyMonkey is freaking expensive. That'd be like $50 a month. It's like, no, not doing it. Not worth it to me. No. So, yeah. But, I mean, if I don't like something that you like, that doesn't make you a bad person. That makes you a horrible person who doesn't know good food. No, I'm kidding. It's no big deal. Really, it isn't. There's gonna be stuff I like that you don't like, stuff you like that I don't like, stuff we both agree on. Whoever you are. Who are you? What are you? I don't know you. But with all that being said and all that time wasted cooking, here we go. So let's drain this off. I'm wearing this shirt for the first time in maybe 6 or 8 months, by the way. What do you think? Tell me about how much you enjoy my shirt in the comments below. Also remember, if you're the first to comment, write the word first. Because if you're first, that means everybody else is second. Alright, so here is our bowl of noodles from Hong Kong. Gotta need that sauce. XO sauce. Why is it called XO sauce? Well, it's XO Shallot sauce. XO, it's like Hennessy, like VSOP. It's classy. That's all it's about, is the classiness of it. And there was a guy who decided to make this XO sauce and thought, hey, let's do it this way. And now it's expensive. If you want to go like to the store and buy a little jar of XO sauce, the cheaper stuff, you might spend like $10-15. The really expensive stuff, I think, doesn't it go for up to like $60? So I think it's like in this one it'll be shallot, scallion, chili pepper. Sometimes there's ham, like Chinese ham, and shrimp paste or shrimp powder. I don't know, but a lot of things going on. But here we are. Screaming noodles. Or a screaming fork, more like it. Yeah, mixed noodles. I love a good mixed noodle. There's a lot of... all these little dark bits, I'm going with that's the shallot. It's probably fried shallot. So I think it's time that I give this its just due. And I will do that. Look at it go. Just wanna... I don't want a huge amount. That's a reasonable forkful. Wouldn't you agree? Cheers. Light gauge. Excellent Q. Definitely shalloty. Not really salty. I mean, not really spicy at all, but I would say that's delicious. So far, I've really been enjoying doing this series of Sau Tao. It's really quite good. So here, we go. Kind of funny. I got an odd comment, and I believe it was on an episode of the show. I'm pretty sure. I could be wrong. It would make sense for it not to be on an episode of the show, but on a top 10. But, and even then, no, because I already do a disclaimer. So basically, somebody was complaining that it's not fair that I review stuff with all this garnish on it. And as you just saw, I don't. I cook it up, I taste it, and then I give it a go. So it's like no need to complain. I've got a nice playing field going on. It's all right. Why would I review my own food? Yum. What about a tea egg? Nestle that right there in the corner. Spring onion. And a little bit of black sesame seed. I think that's about all we need to do right now. Except just a little bit of this, which is fried garlic. And there you are. Alright. Let's let Rotato work its magic. Delicious and easy. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.